Our mindset is one of the main reason. It's number 1 through 5, I would say, about why we prevent or how we prevent ourselves from moving up in the world, how we prevent ourselves about being smart about our money. We've already set things that prevents us. We already set barriers for ourselves. One of the things that we believe, entrepreneurs is the biggest risk taker in the world. Why can't you start your own business? We tell ourselves starting a business is complicated. Well, that's true. It takes work. It's daunting. There are many things that you need to think about, but it is not complicated. Hard work pays off. If you need to adjust to the right mindset in order for you to start your business. You begin researching, looking at things. You want to make sure that you're doing all of those things and following your steps to start your business. Work for it. Make your mind up and work for it. The other thing that we think, oh, we're investing enough in our 401k. We can spend the rest of our money. Yes, 401k is ideally safe for retirement. Yes, there are options for us to use, but there are different things that we can use, different revenue streams, like real estate, like the stock market, like investing in cars if that's your passion, investing in jewelry if that's your passion. Everything that I buy, I think of it as an investment. Is it an investment in my child? Is it an investment in my education? Is it an investment in whatever I'm doing? Is it an investment in my happiness? I think of everything as an investment. And how is it an investment? You want to be able to understand how what you're spending is investing. If you're spending mindlessly, that means you're not thinking about it and it's not an investment to you. It's just a waste. So make sure that you're looking at all of those things. So don't worry about always think long term. Thinking about the next 6 months is not your only thing. You're thinking about the next 50 to 60 years. You want to be able to live moderately. You want to allow yourself from having instant gratification, because gratifying yourself instantly is unconsciously spending. You want to be consciously spending, and unconsciously spending is what gets you into trouble. Work for your money. You've worked hard for your money. You want to invest it in your future. You want to have your money make money for you. You start with $1 and you move up. All it takes is $1 and a dream, but I'm not talking about the lottery. So you want to consider working smarter instead of harder. You want to be able to think about these things. You can't make money without a college degree. This one is such a big myth, because I have loads of blue collar clients that make so much more money than I do, and they do not have a college degree. Some of them does not even have a high school diploma. There are so many vocational things out there that if you think smart, you don't need to have a college degree. You just need to have the right career. The next thing that we think about is, we need to keep up with the Joneses. We do not need to keep up with the Joneses. Most likely, those people that look rich or look wealthy, they're not rich. They're not wealthy. They do not have money. They do not have emergency fund, because they're spending it all on the fancy cars, the trendy clothes, the trendy food, the trendy restaurants, and keeping up with everything on social media. You don't want to think that way. Stick to your goals. Make your dreams come true. Drive nice cars, save for your retirement. Don't get overwhelmed, but you definitely need to think moderately and balance out your mindset so you understand how everything affects you. And when you spend your money, what are you investing it in? Think about that.
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.